Today I'm making pepperoni pizza. I'm going to show you exactly how I do it step by step, minus making the dough. But you're going to get results like this on the bottom. It's going to be nice and cheesy with no flop. Semolina pasta flour keeps the dough from sticking to the counter, and I just put it in a bowl and set it aside till I need it. Here's my dough. If you need a recipe for this, you can watch my video. I'll put a link down in the bottom description. I have let this fermentate in my refrigerator for 72 hours. It's a sticky dough. That's why I like to put it here in this bowl with the semolina and give it a good shake before I really mess with it. Otherwise, it'll be all over my fingers. So I just transfer this to the counter and start working it here at room temperature. Okay, this dough is not cold. It sat out here on the counter for about an hour before I started messing with it. But all you got to do is press it out like you do any pizza. You probably try to make it home. You need a little more semolina on the counter to make sure it doesn't stick. You just add it. Just work it in there on the bottom. It helps to slide off the pizza peel, so I just add it to the pizza peel as well, just to double check, just to make sure. Last thing you want is this pizza falling apart in your oven. So we add sauce, just to keep it simple. This is just spaghetti sauce. Remember, you're in the poor man's gourmet kitchen. So we're going to add some mozzarella cheese. Put as much or as little as you want. And I like to go wall to wall with my pepperoni. Every pepperoni slice touches. Now we're ready for the pizza oven. And outside I've got this pellet pizza oven with a stone on the bottom. It's all preheated and ready to go. And I've got a full tutorial if you ever want to watch that. But we're not doing that today. Just going to get to the basics here of cooking this bad boy. Pull it out here, give it a few turns. We do this a few times. But this pizza literally cooks in under 2 minutes. And when it's done, it'll look something like this. Absolute perfection. Now this was only a 12-inch pizza, but I'm still going to cut it into 8 slices. My kids love these little triangles. But 2 adults, like my wife and I, can sit down and eat just one of these just fine. And this is half, I said half, of my regular pizza dough recipe. And this is still pretty hot, but let me show you here. You can look at the bottom here. Got some nice crust. Show you another piece here so you can see that it's consistent. See, that's perfect. And 0 flop. And there you have it. Pepperoni pizza right here in the poor man's gourmet kitchen.
Thank you for watching, and be sure to stop by PoorMansGourmetKitchen.com for more recipes and exact ingredients.